What's good with y'all? It's your boy Young Fun 99XX, and today we got one straight from y'all. The asymmetrical drip is the part of the outfit I made. Y'all decided we're gonna do some detachable sleeves, so cutting out a sleeve, about to pop these seams so this double layer fabric turns into one, and we're gonna put those detachable sleeves on for y'all. Yeah, look at that boy go. Speedy Gonzalez popping these seams. But I'm just popping the seams to make this double layer fabric 2 single sleeves. My God, did y'all see me bust down those seams? I just went in the autopilot. I don't know how it happened so fast. I guess now I'm gonna sew these up, put a little hem at the sleeve, and we'll see what it do. So y'all are watching both sides, and y'all weren't gonna tell me that I was running out of bobbin? All right, this is just me like sewing in the pockets where the magnets are gonna go. So then I can close them up and then hopefully sew pockets on the other side and then attach the two. I know it looks plain and regular, but that's one sleeve. There it is right there. I'm gonna do the other one, see how it looks. They're a little short, that'll be the vibes. Let me do this other one. All right, same thing for the second one. We're just like making a pocket by sewing the U in on the edge of the hem. Then I'm slipping the magnet in and then closing that U up on the top. And I think I did 4 per sleeve. Alright, so I just finished the sleeves. Some spots look janky. You should probably be able to tell what I'm doing by now. But now, let me do the other side on the vest. Alright, same deal, me pinning up the spots where I'm gonna put the pockets. And I'm just gonna slide those pockets onto the vest by just same vibe, sewing the U, putting the magnet in, and closing that U up. And basically, here's one sleeve. I wasn't vibing with it, but I mean, hey, it's detachable, it's magnetic, you know, here it is.
You need to leave.
Yeah, I had to put a little magic trick on y'all real quick. Y'all leave on replay. Yeah. Good, y'all. This is an Instagram reel I did, but it's still magnetic drip. So I'm just cutting it, you know, you see the crop drip here. And then this is me sewing the pockets on. You know, sewing 4 onto the top part and then 4 onto the bottom part. I did one in the front, in the middle, back in the middle, and left and right. Did the same thing to the bottom half. And here's some looks, you know, good angles. Good vibes, a little airy vibe, you know, you can wear it in the summer. And the best part about it, you know, is it's magnetic. It's detachable. Like, what? Come on, you see how I'm coming. I'm not playing. You know, you can wear it long, you can wear it cropped. I played around with it a little bit. Here's some clips of me just joking around, bullshitting. Wearing it any kind of way you can, because it's the magnetic drip and you can do whatever you want with the magnetic drip. Come on, y'all, we breaking out the box over here. Y'all tap in with me. But no, for real though, I like to take this time to go ahead and follow me on Instagram. I'm posting reels there all the time. You may even catch like some behind the scenes stuff. Yeah, I'm trying to get better at like storytelling and just overall branding on social medias. But until then, you guys, like I said, you get a lot of behind the scenes stuff. Round 2, you already know who it is. It's your boy Young Fine 99XX. So it's round 2. We finna get back into the magnetic drip. I think we're gonna do the pocket this time. We're gonna see how the pocket vibing out with us. Yo, so I'm tweaking. I recorded the first video in the wrong orientation, but I just sewed it and I flipped it inside out. Now I'm gonna take these edges, fold them in, and hem it up on the edges. So I got it sewed up and I decided I was gonna top stitch it. And now this is how I want the pocket to be, because I want it to technically be three pockets, because 1, 2, 3 once I sew it on. So I'm gonna sew it like this, and this is where my magnetic strip is gonna be. So I'm gonna go ahead and sew another piece of fabric right here to be my magnetic strip. So I just realized I left the magnets at my girl crib. At least we got the patch sewed on. I left a little spot on the side for me to be able to slip the magnets in. Now I guess I'll go pick her up, go get the magnets, see if we can finish this tonight. All right, so 24 hours went by, I'm wearing a different outfit, and I still don't have the magnets. I guess I'm gonna just prep something else, and that way when I do get the magnets, we'll have 2 pieces. So we're gonna get this sweater right here. I'm gonna probably do a little asymmetrical vibe, like cut it somewhere on the front and turn it into 2 pieces, and then, you know, make a magnet back together. I wanna do something like that. I don't know, we'll see. Yeah, this is just me sewing the pockets onto the sleeve. Same vibe as the last time. I got the first pocket in for my magnet, and I put the sweater on to see how it's gonna fit. So now I'm just gonna add 2 more, like right here and like right here, because I want the split to kind of be able to show at the bottom. So yeah, let me add 2 more pockets for the magnets. And then I'm gonna take this off and pin them up together and see where the pouches line up, and then I'm gonna pin it there. Now that I got the patches on here, my first patch on here, I'm gonna measure the distance between these 2 pouches, and then I'm gonna put that same distance on this side. And you can see how, you know, put them down, lay it on top of itself, and make sure they're the same distance. So we got both sides of the sweater, and all of them have connecting points. 1, 2, 3. And then this is my smaller side, and we got the 1, 2, 3. So we ready. Let me go get these magnets so I can get these sewed up for y'all. Hey man, let's go get these keys so I can get in the spot and get my magnets. Man, I've been bullshitting. It's a whole nother day, and I'm working on a whole nother piece. Don't be like me, y'all.
Every time.
A little dish.
I was gonna say.
But yeah, we got the keys. Let's go get the magnets. All right, we back. We got the magnets. We got the pouches sewn on. Let's see if I can finish this piece before I have to go pick her back up. All right, that's all 3 magnets on this side. Let's switch to the other side. Yeah, that's the look right there. Yeah. So next time I do some magnetic drip, y'all remind me to like make it layer over more, cause like it's staying and I can move and stuff, but like this part, I hate that. But yeah, I mean, that's the piece right there. All you need is some magnets and some fabric to make pouches. Let me go pick this girl up. Hopefully later I can finish the other piece for y'all. So I done messed around and took a nap on y'all folks. So now we back in here. I'm finna sew the pocket, the magnetic pocket on that 1 piece. This is pretty simple since I got the pocket already. All I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put it right here on the sleeve. So I'm gonna just go ahead and put a strip the same length as my pocket, wherever that is. Here it goes. the same length as this strip, and I just gotta make it, oh shit, wrong way. And I just gotta make it long enough to fit that, and we're in there, so let me do that. This sweater was low-key hard to get under here, so I'm gonna go ahead and sew the magnets in. Oh, it's already still like that. But I want them like long ways. I wonder if there's any way I can get them long ways without having them like this way, because I'm losing so much surface area. I get them like that. I think that's giving me the most. So I think we'll rock with that. I just hope they don't fold up in there. I'll be fucked. I guess let me see if I can even slide it in the pocket like this before I try to put it in there. Pocket. Oh yeah, it slips in there pretty nice. I feel like once I set them, there won't be any room for it to move. So let's try that and we'll see. I want to tack these all the way up so I can turn this one pocket into 1, 2, 3 pockets. And then this is me just sewing the strip on to the sweater. Really, this is the hardest part. If I did this right, I'm good. I'm really just trying to move the shirt away from the sewing machine without moving the magnets too much in my slot. But you know, the whole machine's metal. It makes me anxious. There we go, the deed is done. This is instantly a fail. I put it on and the magnets bunched up in the pocket. I don't know what I'm gonna do anymore. Can't shift around either. Like I'm trying to move them back in the spot, into place, but they just won't move in there. I don't know, dog, I'm losing faith. Pocket is perfectly fine. You can move it, you can flex it, and they go back into place. I thought I made this small enough to do the same thing, but it is low-key big, so I just took the magnets out. I don't know if I'll ever be able to get any real magnetic drip, but I'm not gonna stop. I'll probably just put this on my sewing machine, use it as a pouch. Here's the last piece I'm doing for this magnetic video. And I know this one has to work. It has to work only because I've seen it done multiple times. One magnetic point and it's one use. I'm gonna make some crazy ass pants. I'm gonna use a magnet for the closure. Simple. Let's get into it. All right, this is me cutting all the pieces out. First leg, back leg. And then all the cinch points I'm gonna do. Waistband. All the fly stuff, and some back pockets. All right, I know that y'all don't know what pants I'm making, but we got a little J-cut front pattern, back pattern. You can see it's 2. And then I got my waistband, and then I got some a little cinchy situation going here. I'm gonna put these inside of the pants so I can cinch them up at the knee area right here, and then right here. And I actually got the closure stuff right here and somewhere else, but yeah. All right, I'm back with you. We did all the boring stuff off camera. Got my fly front right here. You know, zippy zip, good zippy zip. And I got my back pockets on. As long as I got back pockets, I'm straight for real. All the boring stuff done. Now I'm gonna really whip up a burger, and then I'm gonna come and decide where I want, you know, my cinch point. I just smashed on the greatest burger of all time. And now I'm just about to pin up the spots I want the cinches at. I said I'm pinning them up, but I actually just went ahead and pinned them up and then sewed on the strip right after I pinned them up so I can get it all done at one time. Trying to run through it for y'all. I know I was bullshitting with the other pieces. Okay, as you can see, we got them done. This is what they look like closed. This is how they look on the inside. Now, I just need to get some grommets for the outside right here. It's gonna be a challenge because like I wanna put this string in so I don't have to like make a new one, but this shit's so thick. And the grommet will literally need to be that big, but I'm not trying to exceed that hole. So I might just have to make some new strings so I can put a tinier grommet there. Look at this comically large ass dog at Hobby Lobby. What is you doing there? Package secured. You see we got the grommets and we got the new seam ripper, so I won't have to bullshit. My seam ripper's like, it's perfect, but it doesn't have the little red dot. And that's what you need to be able to like really rip something. If you know, you know. Like you can always rip, the blade is there. But that red dot, that little piece of plastic or whatever, that's the key, low key. But yeah, we're good. We read up. I'm headed back to the crib so I can get these last few grommets in. And I'll be able to, I'm probably sew a new string. You know, cut it up, slip it in there. A deal's a deal. All right, so we're back, and now I'm just about to take these spots and cut little holes in them all the way around where all my grommets are gonna go. Slicey dicey, they don't even need to be big holes. Just take your scissors, make tiny little holes where the grommets are. this is me hammering them in, goddamn. Get your little anchor, get your hammer, get your grommets. Slap them mugs. Shit gonna take some force. You see me using a wrench, whacking them. So get to whacking. I didn't know this grommet work was gonna take so long. I'm finna go work on the grommet at my girl's house, and hopefully tomorrow we'll be back to put the waistband on, to finish the strings, and to finish up the pants, and to put the magnets in. But yeah, that's it. Catch y'all tomorrow. So last night I did everything besides put the waistband on. I left that specially for y'all since that's the magnetic part. So bada bing, bada boom. This is me sewing the waistband on. Y'all should know how to do that. If not, I can make another in-depth video later. Just let me know. Drop it in the comments if y'all don't know how to put a waistband on. I got you. Here they are. All I gotta do left is put these strings in, hit the magnet. So to do the magnet, I'm just gonna put a pin right here so I can see where the points are, and then hit it with the chalk, and that way I'll know where to put the pockets with the magnets in them. So yeah, these clean. All right, like I said, sewing on the first pocket here, and slipping the magnets in. Same for that other side. Just gonna sew that little pocket on. Slip the magnets in, yes sir. Low key, bro, it worked. It really worked. Yeah, you see me with an alternative drip, with a magnet drip. Yeah, you see the results. I'm not playing with y'all, bro. If I said I'm bringing magnetic drip, I'm bringing magnetic drip. It's magnetic, it's drip, and I don't want to hear otherwise, bro. You see me over there on the left side. Boom, that was magnetic, bro. Come on, quit playing with that boy. I'm coming in hot all year, bro. I really enjoy making this for y'all. As you can see, my little happy dance. But yeah, man, that's it. I'm glad y'all watched it and y'all made it to the end. I didn't even think I was gonna make it this far. But yeah, that's the pants. It took a long time, so make sure y'all sub, go follow all my socials, and just tap in with me, because I'm finna go crazy, and I need a team there to support me, bro. I love y'all. I need y'all to keep thinking and remember the past, because that's what made you who you are today.